If you want to find out how to make this centerpiece, stay tuned. So first we're going to take this crate. I have this left over from a Christmas gift that I got, and I wanted to use it to make a centerpiece. I've been saving it all the way since Christmas. So I'm just going to take these 2 glass candle holders and I'm going to hot glue them to the bottom of the wooden tray. That way they don't slide around or anything. Now, of course, if you want to reuse this tray or these candle holders, you definitely don't have to hot glue them down. You can just set them inside of the tray because, if you're just setting it on a table, they really shouldn't go anywhere. But I just did it for a little bit more stability. Once I finished hot gluing the candle holders down to the tray, I let it sit for a second just so that the hot glue could harden. And then I added my floral moss to the tray. Now I added a generous amount to the tray just to cover up the bottom, and that way none of the wood would show through. And then I added some going across the tray right there in the middle between the 2 candle holders, glass candle holders. And then that way it just provided a little bit of separation for where the 2 candles will eventually go. Once I got the moss situated, I added my LED Twinkle light set. I got this set from Walmart and it was on sale for about $1.25, I believe. And so I actually ended up buying all the rest of the ones that they had, just because this will be great for any other projects that I want to use twinkle lights for in the future. So I just started adding the twinkle lights right on top of the moss. I didn't want to add it intertwined in there. I just wanted to sit right on top because I want the light to show through really well. And then I fed the battery pack through the hole in the back of the crate. And then I'm going to just hot glue the end of the light so that it stays in place right there on the back. And then I'm going to also do the same thing for the battery pack. Of course, if you are going to be putting this out on the middle of a table or anything like that, you can add little pebbles or stones to the outside of the battery pack just to dress it up a little bit more. For me, it's not really necessary at this moment, but later on, if I do end up using it as a centerpiece, that is something that I will end up doing. So as you can see, it just hooks right on to the back of the crate, and then I'm just gonna hot glue this excess wire just so that it doesn't move around a lot. Once I got everything situated with the battery pack on the back of the crate and I played around with the lights a little bit more, stretching them out, I just went ahead and added my candles right to the middle of the centerpiece, right on top of those glass candle holders that we added at the beginning. Now I'm going to just go in and add my batteries. The pack being on the back makes it really easy for you to put your batteries in and out of, and that's the only reason I didn't add the pack into the crate. You guys, look how good this finished product looks. This DIY might actually have moved to the top of my list as my favorite DIY. It is so pretty. It's also very woodsy, which I don't mind. And if you wanted to dress it up even further, you could add really pretty pebbles or stones right there on top of the moss. Or if you wanted to go kind of fairy tale with it, you could get some of the little miniature fairy tale creatures from the Dollar Tree and also placed them inside, hiding right there in the moss. The twinkle lights make it look really pretty, but once you light the candles, it just sets the tone for the whole project. What do you guys think of this project this week? Leave your opinions down in the comment section below. Make sure that you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and become a part of the DIY club, and share this video with somebody that you love. I appreciate you guys for sticking with me and joining me every Tuesday for a new video. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope you guys are having a great day, and always keep creating. All right, I love you guys, and I will see you next week. Bye.